check these tricks that you can apply to play any song. I know, might sound complex, but the truth is that I didn't spend so much time to learn that. And the reason it's because the 5 secrets that I'm gonna share with you today, especially for busy adults. So let's learn it. First, always combine notes with dynamics. If you only play the notes without dynamics, might be something missing in your songs. Like this. And this usually happens because you have nothing to say, no emotion. It's like a conversation or a film that people say to you, I'm really happy. Probably you won't believe that. So, music is the same thing. You have to say something besides the notes. Even as a beginner, you can start doing that. Play with more volume, with more pressure, even try different speeds. I'm not lying to you, this is gonna take some time, but trust me, worth every time that you spend on it. This will sound simple, but it's huge. Don't overthinking about new things. I always see beginners want more and more techniques, more stuff to play. But the truth is, this miracle thing like that turns beginners to pro, it doesn't exist. What really helps is you to turn the things that you already know into new things, a different approach to things, almost like recycling the content. For example, let's say the only thing that you already know are the C major scale, all the white keys. You can play that doing different patterns. Jumping around through the octaves. Even apply this scale to songs. And then, after you complete that, you are ready to learn new things. And talking about ready, if you are looking for a piano course, especially for beginners, I'll leave a link of my course in the description down below. Here's the sad truth. In some point, your motivation to learn the piano will be gone. And to avoid that, you need to have a plan. For example, you can have goals for songs. I want to play Moonlight Sonata. I want to play Interstellar, and so on. And how you achieve those goals, the plan to achieve that songs. Another important thing goes to how many times do you gonna play the piano. For example, for this year, I'll play piano 100 times, at least 1, 2, or 3 times per week during 1 hour. That's a plan, and that's it, how you achieve those plans. After that, still this solid framework to apply into routine. What are you gonna play when you have your moment with the piano? 20% of your time you have to do technical exercise. What I mean? Exercise for your hands. 15% of your time used to learn new things to level up. 50% used to learn songs. And the 10% left, it's completely free. Use the way you want. Sustain pedal is a hack. I know if you're a beginner, you might be scared to play with the pedal, a new thing to look at, but the truth is, sustain pedal gives you freedom and a better sound when you're playing piano. Let me show that. Listen to the song with and without the pedal. The differences are huge, and to help you use the sustain pedal as well, you can apply right now in 3 ways. First one, measure per measure. Chord to chord. Or even when you feel the sound, it's muddy. Let's pretend you want to bake a cake. You have no experience and not following a recipe. So the chances that you are succeed are so low, right? And beyond that, you are wasting the ingredients and your time. The same thing happens with music. If you play a song without following a recipe to get better and faster results, you are wasting your time. And to avoid that, follow this framework when you try to learn new songs or new exercise. First, practice only the right hand. Second, only the left. Third, play with both hands together, but not worry about the tempo, the timing at. Just trying to figure out the notes together, right hand plus left hand. Fourth, now it's time to still play with the both hands together, but trying looking for the tempos, trying say and counting those tempos out loud. Another important thing, sometimes we spend just 1, 2 days or hours to a song, and sometimes we spend weeks, even months to learn a single song. And it's completely nothing wrong with that. And the most important thing about everything that you saw today in this video, have fun, be comfortable, play, be happy to play, because this, my friends, is the most important thing to keep your motivation as high as possible. So, happy play, and to help you get a better and faster results with the exercise and song, just click on this video up here. So, thank you for watching, and I see you in the next tutorial.